Hi everybody. So we're putting together a candle set for a vigil that's happening tonight for two youths that were tragically taken this morning in a car accident. So we take our candles that we order, our Gears in Heaven stickers, peel the stickers, and then slap them onto the candles. Bring them to the vigils, leave them at memorial sites. It's just a little token of sympathy that we do for the family and for the friends. Sometimes people bring their own candles. Sometimes people are in a position where they couldn't get candles or can't afford candles. So this is one of the services that we offer as a nonprofit organization. It's all free of charge. It's something that all of your donations help us do. It's an unfortunate event, but it means a lot to the family and to the friends when they are able to display those little gestures of their appreciation for the loved one that's gone.